Hi YouTube, Mini Bibble Sony here, and today I am playing Animal Jam. And the music, I'm going to turn off so you can hear me. Okay, let me X that out. And then let me go to my favorite place to go. Animal Jam. Oh man. There. Still full. Well, I'm just going to go play some games. Ooh. Swoopy Eagle. Let's play this. Okay, let's go. It's kind of like Flappy Bird. Whoa. Oh, come on. If you hear just background noises, that's just my chair. What should I play next? Ooh, I see something that I want to play. Now, first, let me see what the party is. Ooh. Whoa. I've been here before, but I love being here. Because look what happens when we go on the cake. Look at these party colors. Ooh. Let's go higher. Let's buy a cake. See if I can. Nope. No cakes there. If you're wondering which person I am, I'm Scooter Arctic Bunny. And this is my person. This is my person without the coat thingy. Okay. Sorry. Just need to check my mic level. Ugh. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So, let's go to the top of the birthday cake. Whoa, look at all that ice cream. What? Ah, that's cool. Okay. I'll be back. Just a second again. So, boop. Okay, I am back. And if you guys are wondering where some of the stuff is, I'm on Shiver. I went there and I saw a YouTube video where all the stuff is. First, we're gonna go find the yaks. Okay, let's go. Dun 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 dun. Over here are supposed to be the yaks. Right there. That's where the yaks are supposed to be, but they're not there right now. The goat is supposed to be over there. The goat thing, this thingy, but it's not over there right now. Oh no. Well, there's something that's supposed to be right there. And it is this little thingy, the lemming. And next, I'm gonna go find this little cute guy, the red panda. And nope, oh, there he is. There he is. Oh my god. Oh. Okay. And then the next one, the hardest one, is this one, the hawk moth. It's supposed to be flying around here. And the next one is this little tree thing right here. called the juniper. Now let me go see if that little goat and the yaks are there. Oh! I think they're coming. The yaks. The goats. See? The yaks are right there. And I think the goat's there now. Nope. Okay. No, let's go back to the dream. And right there. See? And the next one, where's I going? The next one is this little guy. And oops, it's supposed to be right there. And the next one is these little flowers called the Himalayan poppies. Oh yeah, also they had a new feature whenever you step on the ice and a lot of people get on it, it'll start to crack a little bit. That's what I like about this. And there's the Himalayan flower. The next one, it was very camouflaged. It's a slate. Really, really camouflaged. So you might not see it. Just look around over here. But it's actually right there. I know, it's really hard to find. The next one is this stuff. This is really easy. It's right here next to you whenever you spawn. This thingy right here. And the last... Wait, is it the last one? Oh, it's the gold. Let's see, I did this. Yeah, gold is the last one. So, this will be the end of the video, guys. And I'll see you next time. Bye.